Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to add clickable link in YouTube Shorts. So this is very easy. All you have to do is to look for that specific video that you want to add to your YouTube Shorts. For example, this one. You just have to click this three dots here and then click share and then copy link. Okay, and then once it's copied, you can exit your YouTube application. This time, you have to open your YouTube Studio, okay? And then go to Content and look for Shorts. Here you can see all the YouTube Shorts that you have uploaded. Click that specific Shorts and then tap this pencil icon here. And then as you can see, there is a description. Tap that one and then paste that URL here. Go back and then click Save. As easy as that. Now, if someone watch your YouTube Shorts and look at your description, they can click this URL or this link and it will take them directly to that specific video. You can add more links to your YouTube Shorts if you want. Just go back to your YouTube, copy, and paste it here. As easy as that. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.